Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this session, I would like to show you one of the new features available with SAP SLM UI add-on 1.0 SP05. The feature that I would like to explain you today is called the pagination in my card screen, made available to improve the performance of the application. Now the first question which comes to our mind is, what is pagination? Pagination is the process of dividing the content across the pages. This feature is available with SP05 and is customizable. With the help of this feature, 10 cards can be seen at each page. The major significance of this topic is that the performance is drastically improved in My Cards tab. This feature is introduced in My Cards tab. This tab displays the list of shopping carts created by a user. It also gives an option to search for the shopping carts using a keyword search or advanced search. In earlier release, it was only possible to view the last 10 shopping carts processed by the user. But with this newly introduced feature, it is very much possible to view all shopping carts created by a user. With the help of Paginator, you can easily navigate to different pages. Now I would like to show you the live demo of this application. In the first page, you can view 10 most recent shopping carts processed by the user. The other shopping carts are available across the multiple pages. The Paginator also provides you with the single and double arrows to navigate across pages. Using the double arrows, you can view the first and the last page. With the help of single arrows, you can view the previous or the next page. This feature is enabled by default, but if there is a business case which does not require it, then it is also possible to hide this feature in customizing. Now I would like to show you how to hide this feature in customizing. You can go to Customizing for SAP SLM User Interface add-on and click on Control Advanced Features. Once you execute the customizing, you can see the Advanced Features Customizing Overview screen. In this screen, select the checkbox Hide Pagination in My Card section. By doing this, the pagination feature will be hidden on the UI. If you hide this feature, you have to use the advanced search to view the specific cards, as by disabling this feature, you can view only 10 most recent shopping carts. If this search results displays many shopping carts, then the performance is impacted. By this, we come to the end of this session. I hope this session helped you to understand the pagination feature. Thank you.